Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get quality prompts for dall-e 3 using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First things first, to create dall-e 3, make sure that you are subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month. And then go ahead to this website right here, which is metricsmule.com. So all credits to their website and their YouTube channel, so go check them out guys. And all you need to do here is go over to ChatGPT here and ChatGPT Prompt Genius and go over to this one, ChatGPT Leonardo AI Super Prompt. This will be useful for that E3 also. And all you need to do is copy and paste this prompt to ChatGPT. So I will link also this website to the description, guys. So don't worry, and just copy and paste that. So all you need to do is provide them with the keyword that you want to create. So for example, a rich man shaking hands with a poor man on a building mansion, for example, so for demonstration purposes only, and it will create it for you. So it will create you with three quality prompts for uh, photorealistic, so artistic, which is more animated, and it will also create it using a sketch or pencil drawing. So make sure also that GPT-4 is enabled so you can create that issue using this. And you just have to specify which specific prompt you want to create. So for example, let's create one for uh, prompt number 3, which is the pencil drawing. So create prompt 3 for me using dall-e 3. My mistake for that. So it will correct it for you. So as you can see, it is now created. But if you want to go ahead and change the format, you can also specify it. So for example, create prompt 2. So let's correct this one. And for example, 16 by 9. So just specify this one. So as you can see, it is now created using the prompt number 2, which is artistic. So you can also copy and paste this. So no need to do it like this. You can then copy and paste it like that because it uses the VBNet technology. If you want to paste these prompts on other AI image services. So okay guys, you can now download this to your liking and there. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.